Yeah, hi Mike. Just a short video just with a couple of insights with the ismoothRun app. Might help you on your long plus speed play run tomorrow. So first thing I just suggest that you change is go into workouts, and we're going to edit this long plus speed play. Now it's this long speed play times by 8. So I'm going to go into intervals. I'm going to select that. Now yours should look like this. So it's half a kilometre in zone 3 and then 1 kilometre in zone 2 recovery. So what I've learned is that if it's classed as a recovery, you won't get a prompt telling you on your heart rate zone. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to select that. I'm going to change it from recovery to work. Okay, so therefore our interval there is 500 meters in zone 3 and 1 minute in zone 2. It's definitely classed as work. It's not classed as RI for recovery. We just do OK, so that's done. So that's updated. So we go back to our standard workout here. Now I've modified mine because I'm just going to do a demonstration here. So I'm only warming up for 30 seconds. So I just wanted to give you a sense of what the voice prompts are. So I just want to get through the warm-up, and then I'm going to show you the long plus speed play prompts. Okay, the other thing I want you to change is to go into your settings and just change the audio cues. Now you definitely want to go set the schedule cues by distance, and I suggest every kilometre you just get an update to say how far you've run. So definitely distance is ticked at 1 kilometre, and the only cue I really want is distance. Okay, so everything else is turned off except distance. Now we're going to then go down to the coaching cues, and I want everything turned off except intervals coaching and heart rate zone changes. So okay, so I'll just go over that again. The only audio cues is by distance. Every kilometre give me a distance update, and for coaching cues I want to have intervals coaching on and heart rate zone change. Rightio. Just another little thing just want to show you here. If you scroll further down in your audio settings, you can adjust how loud that voice is.
72, 14,
okay, so
39,
that's just
46,
something to keep in mind.
47.
You can also change the speed of the voice, so if you think it's too slow you can make it talk really
26,
quick.
26,
Rightio.
26, 26,
Right.
26.
Rightio, so there we go. So I'm just going to do that warm up. So I'm just doing this as a demo one indoors for you. So I'm just, I've got a cadence sensor, so it's going to think that I'm running here. Okay, so let's start the run.
Workout started.
So,
warm up. 30 seconds.
So remember, I only did a 30-second warm up.
Auto paused.
And so as we approach the end of 30 seconds, it's going to start prompting me for the speed play intervals. Alright, so let me just get my cadence going here.
Workout resumed. Auto paused.
Just takes a second.
Zone 2.
So I've got some very
Workout resumed.
Okay, now we're going. You see I've got low zones set here, just an example. You can see here, that's my heart rate, 85, and actually that 2 means I'm in zone 2. Alright, so it thinks I'm running.
3.
So
interval 1. 0.50 kilometers at zone 3.
Alright, there's my prompt that the
Zone
interval's coming
2.
up.
Go.
Go.
Below zone.
Alright, so you hear that? It said below zone because it wants me to be in zone 3. So I'm just going to go a little bit harder and get up into zone 3.
In zone.
Rightio, so
Zone 3.
you see I've gone into zone 3 and it's told me I'm in zone. So I'm in my interval. I know it's zone 3 for 500 metres. So let's see what happens if I slow down and drift back into zone 2. So I've got two messages, two cues. One will tell me if I change zones, another one will tell me if I'm below my target for this interval. Alright, so I'm just slowing down.
Below zone. Zone 2.
Okay, below zone, and I'm in zone 2, so I need to speed up back into zone 3. Getting there, it's a bit hard running on the spot. Just almost there.
In zone. Zone 3.
Right, so we're in zone 3.
Interval 1 kilometers. At zone 2.
Right, that just coincided with me starting my 1 kilometre now in zone 2. So I'll slow down back
Go. Above zone.
above zone because I'm still in 3. So I'm going to slow down. And it'll tell me when I'm in zone.
In zone.
There we go.
Zone 2.
And so I'll do a kilometre at this. When I finish that kilometre, I'll get another prompt telling me to do 0.5 kilometres in zone 3. Alright, thanks Mike for watching this.
Zone 1. Workout paused.
It's a bit of an unorthodox way of communicating. Hopefully the video